You already speak English, and now would like to speak more like a native. You found the right path through this episode. One of the keys for speaking English like a native is the ability to listen and understand casual expressions or idioms. You will learn these expressions not only through standard textbooks, but also hear them all the time in everyday conversations. You will meet them in books, newspapers, magazines, and TV shows. Idioms add color and different sense to the language. Master idioms and your speech will be less foreign. Often a student of English tries to translate idioms word for word or literally. He will end up asking one specific question. What could this possibly mean? This is why idioms are so difficult like this. They work as groups of words, not as individual words. If you try to translate each word on its own, you will miss the meaning and in many cases will end up with nonsense at all. As an example, for this American expression which is out of this world, out of this world. This expression is often used for describing delicious food. If you have a party and you serve a delicious chicken dish, your American friend might tell you this chicken is out of this world. And in that case, start translating that idiom word for word and you'll have to ask yourself one question. What world is it in? And why is he even commenting on the chicken being out of a world? Any world. Here's another example. Let's say you're on a tennis team and your team has won every single game for about 6 months. You could tell your friend this without using an idiom. Our team is lucky because we keep winning game after game. You can also express this with an idiom, saying, our team is on a winning streak. Our team is on a winning streak. Sounds better, doesn't it? When using idioms, remember that their word order and structure are often not flexible. In other words, you will need to get the word order exactly right as it is. Here's an example of what I mean. Recently, I helped a student with his English homework. He then told me, "You've got a golden heart. You've got a golden heart." He was trying to speak idiomatic English, but unfortunately, he didn't get a point correctly. The correct expression is, you've got a heart of gold. You've got a heart of gold. Additional example here, which is try to develop an ear for idioms in your own. Don't worry, I'm not suggesting you for trying to grow a third ear in your face. Develop an ear is just an idiom. That means to listen to learn for something. If you don't know what an expression means, ask a native speaker of English. Here's what you can say to your helper. "Excuse me, can you please help me out?" Good luck adding idioms to your everyday speech. It's fun and you'll enjoy much more speaking English like an American. Thanks for your interest for preceding our episode and don't forget share and subscribe. See you later and bye bye.